Listening to the podcast about bananas was interesting to me. I was not aware that there was literally one kind of banana. It amazes me that with the amount of bananas that are consumed, they all come from foreign countries. The process to import bananas, the need for special refrigeration on freights, for proper storage in coolers when they arrive, would make me think bananas would be more expensive, but it is actually quite the opposite. The need to sell before the product rots is a main reason bananas are priced to sell quickly. Since bananas are grown in countries that are typically always warm, bananas can be grown year-round. There will always be a high demand for bananas, and warmer foreign countries can keep up with these demands. One fact that I found interesting was when they said they were not eating the same bananas today that our elders ate. The bananas we eat today were susceptible to the Panama disease, which took out the Gros Michel bananas. With the disease mutating and now affecting the current crops of bananas, changes need to be made to protect the supply of bananas today known as Cavendish. A lot of fruit today is genetically modified. Scientists are working on creating bananas in two ways: tweaking its genetic code or by introducing new resistant genes from other bananas. When it comes to these options, I agree with the CEO of Chiquita that the perception of genetically modifying plants is safe, but portrayed in a bad light. These studies and experiments are one of the most highly regulated technologies in the world. As a banana fanatic myself, I couldn't agree more. I would absolutely continue to explore either of these options that were presented if the disease started spreading to Latin countries, if I were the CEO of Chiquita. I don't see any bad coming out of this, and it could create more varieties of bananas for us to enjoy.